Hi everyone. So now we are going to discuss one more function that is bit tricky than what we have done so far. And so what we need to do, we need to clear bits in the range I to j. So what we are given a number, maybe something like this: 1100100110, and let's say I'm given index I and index j. I want to clear all the bits in this particular range. Okay, let's say this is I, this is, let's say, j, and this is I. Okay, so I want to remove all the bits starting from index, sorry, I want to remove all the bits starting from index I till the index j. So they need to be cleared out. I want to set them as 0. So we have seen, if you need to clear a particular bit, you need a mask in which we have 0 at that particular index. So for this case, what we need is, we need a mask in which we have all the bits at these position as 1, and all the bits at this position as 0, and all the bits at the positions starting from I plus 1 till the 0 as 1. Okay, so we need something like this. Okay, this index is I, this index is j, these bits should be 0. So we need to see how we can create this particular kind of a mask. So the thing is very simple. We can actually break this down into two components. How to create this mask? Let's say this one part is a, and a looks something like this. We have lots of ones followed by all zeros, and we can also have b, in which we have lots of zeros followed by ones starting from the index I plus 1. Okay, this is something we can actually do, and this is what we have. We have j number of we have j plus 1 number of zeros here. Okay, so basically, in order to create this mask, we have already seen what we can do. We can take all ones, and we can right shift it with j plus 1. Okay, so if we have all number of ones, okay, that is nothing but that is not of 0, or that is minus 1. So if we do a left shift with index j plus 1, we will get the number a. Okay, that's it. How do we get a number b? So finding the number b is, you can find that this number is nothing but, if you look at a number 15, so what is 15? 15 is lots of zeros followed by 4 ones. What about 31? This is lots of zeros followed by 5 number of ones. We need something like this. So this number is of the form 2 raised to the power n minus 1. And what is 2 raised to the power n? So for 15 we get 4 bits. Okay, so if n is 4, we get uh, last 4 bits as 4. So how many bits we need here? We actually need I number of bits here. Okay, we actually need, so this is from 0 to I minus 1. We actually need I number of bits here. Okay, so basically it is nothing but, this number is nothing but 2 raised to the power I minus 1. And what is 2 raised to the power I? So we can write this as 1 left shift I and subtract 1 out of it. So b is nothing but 1 left shift I and subtract 1 out of it. And what is mask? Mask is nothing but a or b. So now we get this number, and what is our final number? So mask we now have, and what is the value of n? So if you do a AND of this mask with the number, it is going to clear these bits from I index till j. So n is going to be n and mask. That's it, and we are done. Okay, and we are done for the method. So let's try to implement the code, and then we will see in the output. So let us first find out a. So a is nothing but not of 0 or minus 1, you can take. Left shift j plus 1. Okay, and what about b? B is 1 left shift I minus 1. And what is mask? It is nothing but a or b. And what is n? N equals to n and mask. That's it. So let us say our n is 31, and I want to clear the bits in the range uh, let's say 1, I is 1, and j is, let's say, 3. Okay, so I can say clear bits in the range. I give the number n, I give I, and I give j, and let us see what output it produces. So it is giving us the number 17. So let's see what happens. So 31 is 5 times 1, and 0, 1, 2, 3. So I said, okay, clear all these 3 bits. So I get the number 1001. So this is nothing but 2 raised to the power 4, and this is 2 raised to the power 0. This is 16 plus 1, 17. And we are getting this number 17. That's it. That means the code is working perfectly fine, and I hope this is clear to you.